Lucid dreaming is one of the coolest skills that a human can learn, because instead of having boring old dreams, it allows you to do whatever you want in your sleep, ranging from flying to, I don't know, jumping off buildings to going back in time, to going forward in time, to having lucid nightmares. Hi, I'm Begin Lucid Dreaming, and today I will tell you the ultimate strategy to lucid dreaming tonight. It is not as cool as the filed or wild technique, or as complicated as the mild one, but it is, some will argue that it is more powerful. So stay tuned until the end to find out all of the outcomes and the steps to do it. This video is also sponsored by the subscribe button. It's shiny and red. Don't you just want to press it? Come on, do it. I depend on internet numbers for validation. Step 1. Go to bed. Preferably before 11 p.m. and set an alarm about 4 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. This will target your REM sleep, so you'll wake up hopefully during a dream, making it very easy to slip right back into one. You'll need to wake up when the alarm rings and stay awake for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can use the bathroom, walk around a bit, and then get back into bed. Start with the cycles. The cycles are little circuit thingies that you're going to have to repeat before you go to sleep. The first step is to focus on sight. Focus on the darkness behind your eyelids. Do this for like a few seconds. Then focus on hearing. Focus on what you hear outside, maybe inside your room, maybe your heartbeat. Do this for a few seconds as well. Now focus on touch. Feel how heavy your blanket is, how light. Do you feel any spinning sensations? Do all of these for a few seconds and repeat this 5 times. Now you can move on to the slow cycles. Do the same cycles but for 30 seconds per thing and do it 3 times. When you've finished these, go to sleep, preferably as quickly as you can so your mind is still fresh and conditioned. So basically what this technique did, it conditioned your brain so you will have a heightened awareness in your dream, make it so much easier to spot an inconsistency in the dream world and instantly become lucid. There are a few outcomes, not all, or only one preferable, but I'll tell you all of them, and even say how to avoid them, or even turn them into lucid dreams. The first outcome is a false awakening. It is when you wake up in your room, but you are in a dream. You don't know this, so you continue on with your day, and then you end up waking up. And this is a common problem, and a good solution is to get into a habit of doing reality checks every time you wake up. So intro, if you have a false awakening, you'll count your fingers, or do lip breathing, or any technique, and then you will realize that you are in a dream. The second one is you don't have a lucid dream. You have a normal dream. There really isn't a solution to this one. It's just bad RNG, I'd say. You try this again every night. It won't really disrupt your sleep patterns, but don't do it every night. I'm kidding. The final outcome is you will have a lucid dream. When you have a lucid dream, that's your desirable outcome. You're understanding in the dream world, able to do whatever you want. So I hope this tutorial helps you. It was only like 4 minutes. So if you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing, dropping a like, and turn on that notification bell. There will be a lot of new videos coming out soon about escaping lucid nightmares, avoiding lucid nightmares, and escaping from dreams if you ever need it. So stay tuned for those, and I'll see you all in those videos. Goodbye.